Think you need $50,000 to get a pickup truck that will last forever? Think again. There are pickup trucks you can find for a surprisingly low price that, with proper maintenance, can potentially reach 300,000 miles. And the crazy part? Some of these trucks are so reliable that owners simply refuse to sell them. Today, we're counting down 5 affordable pickup trucks that are known for serious long-term durability. And number 1 might be the truck you should be looking for if you want maximum reliability without destroying your bank account. Let's get started. Articulated lorry number 5, Ford Ranger. Starting at number 5 is the Ford Ranger. If you want a smaller pickup that is affordable, practical, and capable, the Ranger is one of the trucks you should consider. Older Rangers are especially interesting because they're relatively simple compared with many modern trucks. And when a vehicle has fewer complicated systems, there's often less technology that can go wrong. The Ranger is also relatively easy to work on, and replacement parts are widely available in the United States. With proper maintenance, some older Rangers have reached extremely high mileage. Of course, buying any used truck requires caution. You need to check the engine, transmission, frame, suspension, and maintenance history before handing over your money. But if you find a clean, well-maintained Ranger at the right price, you could have a surprisingly dependable pickup without spending a fortune. At number 4, we have one of the most famous names in the pickup truck world, the Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has built a reputation for durability that is almost legendary. You'll find older Tacomas with extremely high mileage still being used every day. One of the biggest reasons is Toyota's reputation for building engines and drivetrains that can handle years of hard use. And the Tacoma isn't just good on the highway. It's extremely popular with off-road enthusiasts. People take these trucks through deserts, mountains, mud, snow, and rough trails. And many owners keep their Tacomas for years instead of replacing them every few years. But there's one problem. Used Tacomas can be expensive. Because people know how reliable they are, clean used examples can hold their value extremely well. So you might have to pay more upfront. But if you find the right one at the right price, it can be one of the smartest used pickup purchases you can make. Coming in at number 3 is the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is where things get interesting. The Silverado is one of America's most recognizable full-size pickup trucks. And because millions of these trucks have been sold, finding parts and mechanics who know how to work on them is generally much easier than with some less common trucks. Older Silverado models with proven V8 engines can be particularly interesting for used truck buyers. They offer strong performance, excellent towing capability, and a huge aftermarket. But there's something you need to remember. Not every Silverado is equally reliable. The model year, engine, transmission, previous owner, and maintenance history can make a massive difference. That's why you shouldn't simply search for the cheapest Silverado you can find. Instead, look for a truck with good maintenance records, a clean frame, a healthy transmission, and a well-maintained engine. Now we're getting serious. At number 2 is the Toyota Tundra. The Tundra has developed a reputation for being one of the toughest full-size pickups on the road. Older Tundras are particularly interesting for people searching for a high-mileage truck. Some owners have kept their Tundras running for hundreds of thousands of miles. And that's exactly what makes this truck so attractive. You get a full-size pickup with strong towing capability, a powerful engine, a comfortable cabin, and serious long-term durability. But just like the Tacoma, there's a catch. Toyota trucks don't always come cheap. Their reputation for reliability means clean used examples can remain expensive. So if you find a cheap Tundra, don't immediately think you found a bargain. Ask yourself, why is it so cheap? Check the maintenance history. Check the frame. Check for rust. Check the transmission. And most importantly, have a qualified mechanic inspect it before you buy. Because a cheap truck can become an expensive truck very quickly. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to one of the most famous pickup trucks in America, the Ford F-150. Why? Because the F-150 gives buyers something extremely important: choice. There are countless generations, configurations, engines, trims, and price ranges. That means you can find everything from an inexpensive older work truck to a modern luxury pickup. And because the F-150 has been sold in enormous numbers, parts, repairs, and aftermarket support are generally easy to find. But here's the important part. Don't just buy any F-150 because it has the Ford badge. Some engines and model years have had their own reliability concerns. The smart move is to research the exact year and engine before buying. A well-maintained F-150 can be an incredibly useful truck. It can tow, it can haul, it can work, and it can serve as a daily driver. That's why the F-150 remains one of the best places to start if you're searching for an affordable used pickup with serious long-term potential. So there you have it. 5 affordable pickup trucks that can potentially reach 300,000 miles with proper care and maintenance. At number 5, we had the Ford Ranger. Number 4, the legendary Toyota Tacoma. Number 3, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Number 2, the Toyota Tundra. And at number 1, the Ford F-150. But remember, 300,000 miles isn't guaranteed. The condition of the truck, maintenance history, driving habits, rust, engine, transmission, and previous ownership can make a huge difference. Sometimes, the cheapest truck isn't the best deal. The best deal is the truck that has been properly maintained. So if you're shopping for a used pickup, don't just look at the price. Look underneath it. Check the history. Take it for a test drive. And get it inspected before you buy. Because spending a little money on an inspection could save you thousands of dollars later. Now tell me, if you had to choose one of these 5 trucks, which one would you buy? Ford F-150, Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, Silverado, or Ranger? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you enjoy American pickup truck content, subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Articulated Lorry, United States.